Rosemary is an aromatic plant that has been used for centuries, both as a natural remedy and as an ingredient in cooking. Today, it is gaining even more attention because scientific research continues to confirm many of its health benefits. And yet, many people still don't realize how powerful this plant can be, especially for those looking for more natural ways to improve their health and well-being. Rosemary can be used fresh, directly from the plant after being properly washed, or purchased dried in herbal stores, pharmacies, or health shops. In this video, we're going to explore the main benefits of rosemary, the different ways it can be used, and especially how to properly prepare rosemary tea. Rosemary helps improve blood circulation. It supports the dilation of blood vessels, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. It also improves microcirculation, helping the body remove waste products more efficiently. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, rosemary may also help reduce risks linked to poor circulation. However, before consuming rosemary tea regularly, it's important to remember that excessive consumption may cause side effects. And if you have a medical condition or take medication, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional first. Rosemary is also well known for its benefits on digestive health. For centuries, it has been used to reduce bloating, gas, abdominal cramps, and support smoother digestion. It contains antispasmodic properties that help relax the muscles of the digestive system. Rosemary also stimulates bile production, which helps the body digest fats more effectively. Because of its anti-inflammatory effects, rosemary may also be helpful for people dealing with digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome and certain inflammatory intestinal conditions. Rosemary also helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. It acts as a natural prebiotic, helping nourish beneficial gut bacteria while limiting the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. Rosemary is also beneficial for brain health. It may help improve memory, concentration, mood, and even reduce feelings of mental fatigue and stress. In fact, students in ancient Greece were already using rosemary to support mental performance and focus. These effects are believed to be linked to improved blood circulation, along with rosemary's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Some studies even suggest that rosemary may help protect the brain against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Rosemary may also help regulate blood sugar levels. It appears to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing glucose to be used more effectively by the body's cells. That's why it may be beneficial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary is also commonly used to help relieve muscle pain and joint discomfort. It can be consumed as tea, added to meals, or applied locally in diluted essential oil form. Rosemary also helps strengthen the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties may help fight certain bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This is one reason why rosemary has traditionally been used as a natural food preservative. Rosemary is also beneficial for liver health. It may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins or certain medications. This plant may also support healthier skin and hair. It helps fight premature skin aging, supports wound healing, and may improve certain skin conditions such as acne and irritation. Rosemary is also used to support scalp health and stimulate hair growth. It can be applied as an infusion, essential oil, or included in cosmetic products. Another interesting benefit of rosemary involves cooking. When meat is cooked at very high temperatures, harmful compounds linked to certain cancers can form. But studies have shown that marinating meat with rosemary before cooking may significantly reduce the formation of these toxic compounds. Rosemary may also support eye health. Its antioxidant compounds may help slow age-related eye damage and reduce certain risks associated with aging. Most of rosemary's benefits come from natural compounds such as rosmarinic acid, carnosol, and various flavonoids. These substances contain powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Rosemary can be used in many forms. It may be consumed as tea, powder, capsules, liquid extracts, essential oil, or simply added directly to food. To prepare rosemary tea, start by heating about 250 milliliters of water. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves into a cup. Pour the hot water over the rosemary and let it steep for several minutes. Then strain the leaves and drink the tea hot or cold, depending on your preference. Some people add honey or sweeteners, but it can also be enjoyed naturally. Like any medicinal plant, rosemary may cause side effects in some individuals. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort, such as abdominal pain, nausea, or vomiting. People with gallstones, bleeding disorders, or those taking certain medications should be cautious. Rosemary may also interact with medications for high blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning treatments. Finally, rosemary is generally not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding due to limited safety data. Even so, rosemary remains a powerful natural plant that has been valued for generations as a simple and accessible way to support overall health.